The 6 creepiest smartphone cases you'll ever see. You might think a phone case is just for protection, but these are nightmare fuel. First up, the evil eyes case. Those eyes look way too real. It's like my phone is staring into my soul. Next, the Pikachu case. What happened here? Pikachu looks like it's seen things. Horrible things. Then there's the barbed wire case. Because why stop at emotional pain when you can also add physical pain? Hold your phone too long? Speaking of pain, here's the studded case. Basically a medieval weapon. Instant regret. But it gets worse. Maybe it's theft-proof? The horror hospital case. Disgusting texture, and the worst part? Real needles, staples. This thing belongs in a crime scene, not your pocket. And finally, the venom case. Sharp teeth. It glows in the dark. Sweet dreams. Follow for more.
Making my own move.